Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens aren't just salad ingredients. These nutritional powerhouses offer a wealth of benefits when transformed into refreshing, nutrient-dense juices. Let's delve into the exceptional advantages of incorporating these greens into your daily juice regimen. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos about healthy diets and recipes. Benefits: rich in essential vitamins. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and a host of B vitamins such as folate and B6. These vitamins support various bodily functions, including immunity, vision, skin health, and energy production. Abundant minerals. These greens boast an array of essential minerals, including calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Calcium supports bone health, potassium aids in blood pressure regulation, and magnesium and iron contribute to overall well-being and energy levels. High in antioxidants. Loaded with powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, leafy greens help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants are known for reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting healthy aging. Support heart health. The nitrates in leafy greens have been associated with lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. Additionally, their high levels of potassium support heart health by regulating blood pressure. Aid digestion and weight management. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Moreover, they are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Preparation and building. You can add a variety of leafy greens to the juicer, producing a vibrant green juice. Afsan Farm Kitchen incorporating leafy greens into your daily juice is simple. Wash the greens thoroughly, remove any tough stems, and then blend them in a juicer or blender to create a refreshing and revitalizing beverage. Finally, now, you would enjoy a glass of green juice, which radiates energy and vitality. From boosting your immune system to promoting heart health and aiding digestion, the benefits of leafy greens in juicing are truly remarkable. Elevate your health and well-being by savoring the green elixir, a delightful way to embrace the nourishing power of these incredible greens. Also, you can mix your green juice with tomatoes or apple. Cheers to a healthier you with leafy green juices. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Thank you for taking the time to watch.
Angel waking under the moonlit sky, strumming on the strings gonna make you fly. Feel the rhythm, feel it in your bones. Brand new partner, let's dance all night long. Come on, banjo and electric guitar, American dance. Two different sounds but they harmonize, taking the chance. Strumming and picking, feel the music in your soul. Let's join together and let the good times roll. Dancing on the banjo strings, electric guitar, the melody it brings. Two tapping, foot stomping on the wooden floor. Ain't nothing better, we're asking for more.
Pardon pepper. They are mostly mild, but occasionally they can be moderately hot. Also, be on the lookout for the occasional lurker that can kick pretty hard. Padron chili peppers combine a mild to intense degree of spiciness with a flavor that is grassy and vegetal. The flavor will become sweeter and the power of the spice will rise if allowed to mature fully.